How to clean install Windows 10 without DVD or USB flash drive. Installing Windows 10 on a PC can be time-consuming, especially since it often requires external tools like USB drives and DVDs. Fortunately, there are methods for installing it directly from your hard drive. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to prepare your PC for a clean Windows 10 installation. Before starting the installation process, we suggest you prepare your PC first. Here are some steps you should follow. Back up your files and data to a separate device to prevent data loss. Ensure a stable internet connection if you're using cloud-based installation methods. Update your current Windows installation if possible. Free up enough disk space for your chosen installation method. Disconnect any unnecessary USB devices. Only your keyboard and mouse should remain connected. Write down your Windows product key if your license isn't tied to your Microsoft account. Back up your device drivers to cloud storage, a network location, or a separate partition to ensure you can reinstall them later. How to clean install Windows 10 without DVD or USB drivers. There are different methods for cleanly installing Windows 10 without DVDs or USB drivers. Let's walk you through each one. Using the Reset This PC feature, Windows has a built-in tool called Reset This PC. It resets Windows to default settings and is the fastest and most reliable method. Right-click on the Start button, Settings, Update, and Security Recovery. Under Reset This PC, click the Get Started button. Choose whether you want to keep my files or remove everything. Select between using cloud download or local reinstall. Change any additional settings relevant to your needs and click Next. Confirm the options you've selected on the Ready to Reset This PC screen and click Reset. Using Windows 10 Cloud Recovery. Another method is Windows 10 Cloud Recovery via the Windows Recovery Environment, Windows RE. This is ideal if your PC has corrupted or missing system files. Start your PC, then hold the Shift key during boot. In the Windows Recovery environment, select Troubleshoot, Reset This PC. Choose whether you want to keep my files or remove everything. Select Cloud Download. Confirm your options and click Reset. You can use more advanced methods, such as installing from a Windows 10 ISO disk image or setting up a network share installation. However, since these procedures are more technical, we've outlined their steps in our blog. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to clean install Windows 10 without a DVD or USB linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.